Muy buenos días tengan todos aquí con ustedes, dándole un feliz sábado a todo el mundo, Puerto Rico y el mundo completo, pero los que saben español, good morning, oh, good Saturday, because today is Saturday. It's a nice, pretty day here in Puerto Rico in the morning, because in the afternoon it's going to rain, because we are presenting the distribution of the it's like a storm, tropical storm. The name is Ophelia, and Ophelia, I think so. That is the name. So whatever, but it's not going to come to Puerto Rico. It's only to. It's going to come in the northeast, but very far, far away from the island. Have a beautiful Sabbath. Happy Sabbath. Happy Saturday.